The starting point for assembling an ophthalmic lens is the frame reading. This is possible thanks to the tracer that analyzes precisely the frame shape. Once the orbits are read, we can insert the lens prescription, spherical, cylinder, and axis, and the subjective parameters of the wearer. Lenses and frame continue towards the shaping process, which is constantly monitored. The lenses are molded with a modern milling machine. It's an industrial tool of the latest technology which can precisely and quickly shape any type of lens. At this point, the shape lenses are ready to be assembled. At the end of the assembly work, we have the quality control. Thanks to the light source, we are able to verify the correctness of the lens values, powers, axes, and interpupillary. The eyewear is now ready to be wrapped and delivered to the wearer.